Type of jinns according to Islam. There are different types of jinns in this world, and Islam confirms their existence through Quran as well as Hadith. There is a whole chapter on the topic of jinns and their types. So the first fact about jinns is that they can easily see us, but we cannot see them in their real forms. And the second fact about them is that they reproduce, they do have children as any other creatures.
They come generation after generation.
Thirdly, the universal fact about jinns is that they do have a religion, as we all have. They can be Muslims and non-Muslims as well. So let's discuss them in a little detail. They are mainly of 10 types. First type of jinn is Hin. Hin is a type of jinn that is very close to animals, and they appear in the form of dogs usually. And the second type of jinn is Ghaul. Ghaul is a type of jinn known as shape-shifting, cannibalistic and blood-drinking jinn. Ghaul feeds on the blood and flesh of human beings, especially travelers, children or corpses that are stolen out of the graves. Ghaul is a type of jinn that appears to people in various forms and leads them astray in the desert and causes their destruction. In Persian books, Ghaul is defined to have the legs of donkey and horns of a goat, and this is also mentioned in Hadith. And the third type is Jinn. This kind of jinn is shapeshifter that lives in deserts and usually appears in the form of whirlwind or white camels. And they are usually known as the enemies of Gaul. They are open-minded about human beings and were among the first jinn encountered by the humans. And they also can hide or reveal oases in the deserts. And the fourth type is Merid. Merid is a type of jinn that is huge and powerful. They are also mentioned in pre-Islamic Arabian mythology that Merid is used to refer as giants. Merid is described as the most powerful jinn with great powers. They have free will, but they could be compelled to perform chores. Number 5. Ifrit. Ifrit is the type of infernal jinn that is powerful and cunning. They are also known as enormous winged creatures of fire. They live underground in societies structured along ancient Arab tribal lines. They generally marry other jinns, but they can also marry a human being. Humans use magic force to enslave them or even kill them. Number 6. Shik. Shik is a weaker kind of jinn that looks like a monster, half-formed creature. In Arabic, Shik means spirit, and it is evident that why it is called so. Number 7. Nasnas. This is another weak type of jinn usually known as the offspring of Shik and human beings. They are the hybrids of human-like and animals-like forms. Nasnas is a kind of half-human being with half head, one arm, and one leg that hops on its single leg. Number 8. Pelis. Pelis lives in deserts and is known as a footlicker that attacks the sleeping people and drains the blood from their bodies by licking the soles of their feet. Pelis has low intelligence and it can be fooled very easily. Number 9. Silath. Silath is the smartest shapeshifters creature that can mimic human appearances very easily. Number 10. Shaitan. Shaitan is the devil that is mischievous jinn as confirmed by Islam Hadith as well as from Quran. He also has the power to cast evil suggestions in the mind of human beings. Do subscribe for more amazing facts.